Alright, YouTube, what's good? So, here's the deal. I had a 98 overall team. And you can see we're in 94 now. Somebody hacked us and stole my players. I had basically everybody that you can see here, we had them all the way maxed out. All the way. Our team is bad. I'm a Colts fan, so majority of our defense was Colts. And it's, it's bad. It's bad. We're rough. I'm talking to EA, trying to see what we could do about getting this team back after, well, Microsoft is actually talking to EA, trying to see if there's anything they could do for us, but as of right now, there's nothing they could do until we get that done. So what we're going to do is, I've been wanting to play Madden, haven't played in some weeks. We're going to open all these fan appreciation packs. We're going to try to build a team. It's really golden ticket or bust, and we're going to whoop somebody tail with the sorry team still, because we're not going to let this beat us. We're going to open up 20 fan appreciation bundles. I heard these packs are fire. People are pulling fire. Hopefully we could pull a golden ticket. I need to get my Randy back. I do have a 90. I do all have all my power up passes though, so we'll probably have Walter Payton again. And all right, let's see what these fan appreciation packs are talking about. Oh, Big X first pack, 92 Calvin Johnson, not bad. We're gonna need a lot of training too. Another Big X, 93 Rod Woodson. All right. Okay, that pack was decent. It's not what we're looking for, but that was a decent pack. The market's gonna be terrible. Marlon Humphrey, full Marlon Humphrey. He might start. Haven't seen Richard Sherman. Power Lawrence Taylor. We might pick up Lawrence. Redux. 92 Christian Kirk. 92. 94 Dwight. Alright, come on. Alright, let's go this way. I mean, I am opening these packs pretty late. Hopefully all the good luck didn't run out. Do we still have boosted odds? NFL 100 and Larry Allen. Marcus Mariota. I think we still have boosted odds. Today's Friday, yeah. Thursday, Friday. 94 Devin McCourty. It's a decent card. Big X, full legend. Michael Vick, 97. Hopefully we can get a bunch of Michael Vick pieces and actually make that Michael Vick. That might be the move. Come on, guys. I need something good. Big X. Full, 97 Simeon Rice. He's a Colts player. I'd like to make him too. Big X, full. 93 Kevin Windsor. '90 Steve Young. These packs are not what I expected them to be. We have a lot of them though. Definitely don't want to see no 81s and 82s. Full of 92 Troy. Come on, let me get a full at least one time. Ooh, 95 Aaron Rodgers. Ooh, 97 Rod Woodson. Let's go. Full. I need a golden ticket. Ray Lewis. Ray Ray, real go back to the squad. I actually got rid of Ray Ray. Another Michael Vick piece. That's what we want to see. 80, 96 Calvin. Let's go. 94 Troy. Redux. 97 Ken Houston. What a pack. What a pack. We can move Ken Houston to free because I don't think we have a. They got rid of my Buffet. Actually, we might. I don't know. Another NFL 100 card. Eric Dickerson. Damn, I really want that Eric Dickerson. They took my Eric Dickerson. Redux. 92 Matt Ryan. Another Redux. 98 Lamar. Let's go. Lamar Jackson might be the move. '92 free safety from Calvin. I actually been wanting to try that free safety Calvin. 93 Troy. These packs are fire. Oh my lord. What a pack. Brandon Cooks. That pack was insane. Big X. 97 Deacon Jones. We're getting some good pulls here. We could definitely rebuild our team with these fan appreciation packs and be back to where we're at. I don't like that pack. That pack was trash. Less of those. I still haven't. I pulled so many packs and I haven't pulled a golden ticket. Where are the golden tickets, EA? 95, 96, Mark Andrews. What are the stats on that Mark Andrews? John Elway. Not bad. Another? Eric Dickerson, please. Rod Woodson. Oh, Rod Woodson, welcome to the squad. I've been wanting to power up this Chris Johnson all year long. Was that it? No golden tickets? That's terrible. What's the price on it? Oh, that wasn't terrible. What's Lamar going for nowadays? Like 250K? 100K?